We decided to go ahead with the 356A hood in the fall of 2011. We thought there was a substantial need for them, being it very difficult to buy good quality hoods, very few around and very pricey. The outer hood skin is going to need very minimal body work or plastic to accommodate your car. The inner hood structure is very good. We're happy with that. We have left the hood hinge mounts off for the consumer to weld on themselves to accommodate fitment of the hoods to their own cars. We started looking for a perfect A hood. We looked at many different sources and we found a perfect hood in the US. I paid top dollar for it. When we got it, it was really good. I then took that hood to a body shop to get a few of the minor imperfections out and to paint it a non-glossy black, which would enable the scanning to come out really good. After we got the CAD data for the hood, Peter did all the design work and used that CAD data to send all the information to the mill that we could do the milling.
After I get the information from the company that's done the scanning, I can import it into my CAD software and then start to design the die. There's probably about 100 to 200 hours just design time for each die, and then after I've got that complete, I can start designing all the tool paths for probably 4 to 6 different tools, and then start to machine the die. About 1,000 hours per die, 500 per side, and then there was 4 dies that I needed to machine. So the inner structure was fully out of steel. The outer skin was made with steel and then composite, which can withstand the pressure of the press. Now that composite, the lifespan is probably 2,000 parts, so more than capable to stamp what we need.
After the milling was completed, we spent approximately 4 weeks by hand polishing each male and female die for a total of 16 weeks. After the dies were polished, we put the hood outer skin in the die and we did some initial trial runs. Trial runs produced a lot of scrap. We produced a lot of scrap because the parts were not correct. We wanted to have actually absolutely good parts. There was some wrinkling in the hood skins, so we had to alter the dies a little bit, do some extra polishing, and that way it produced a good hood skin. Now we have a really, really good hood skin.
So once I get the stamped part, I have to build a fixture so that the part is placed on the fixture exact every single time. After I have a fixture made, I'll determine the trim line via CAD data. Once I have all the CAD data entered into the machine, the laser can cut the part out the exact same shape every single time. That way all the parts are nice and consistent.
For both of the inner structure and the hood skin, we had to develop the blanks for those pieces. Blanks need to be cut out properly so you don't get excessive wrinkling. And they had to be trimmed properly before they went into the press. After the inner structure and the hood skin was pressed out and we were happy with the parts, then we also had to produce a second little piece that goes inside the inner hood structure, and that's a reinforcement for the front hood latch. And we also had to make the hood hinge mounts which get welded to the inner structure, and we had to make a separate little die for those so that we could hammer form those pieces, and all the correct holes had to be drilled in those. We're going to leave the hood hinge mounts as a separate item to the whole hood. That way the individual or the person who is buying those hoods can attach that hood mount specifically to fit their car. Next step in the whole process is to mate the inner and outer hood skins, and to do that we have to build more tooling to fold over the edges on the hood skin. When it gets folded over to a certain degree, then we could probably either hand form them or build another tool to crimp the inner structure inside the hood skin. Once the hoods are complete, when we sell a complete hood, we will ship those boxes in special box that we designed, and those boxes will allow us to pack those hoods and ship them anywhere in the world without any damage. All the cardboard that is supporting that hood and the box is inside it, and put together it'll be strong enough to walk on the box. If you're in need of a hood, we have those hoods in stock and all the associated parts. If you want to buy just the pieces, you can order them either by phoning in or sending us an email or ordering online. We ship worldwide, and we can ship by consolidation into the US every Tuesday.